Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be really short, really simple. Jamaican Mango and Lime sent me some really cool products to try out for you guys on my channel. Jamaican Mango and Lime is a really accessible product. You can find it at Sally's and other beauty supply stores. So let's just go ahead and get started with this video. The first product I'm going to try from their company is the Pimento Oil Serum. I like this serum. I didn't really like how it smells, but I really like the consistency of it to use either when it's thick like this or even heat it up when it's nice and loose. I'm just showing you guys like the texture and the consistency here. They suggest it for scalp massage as well as for hot oil treatment, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. Here I'm just pouring some water in a cup, putting my oil in there. I am going to take the oil out so I can microwave the water. I want my water to be almost to the boiling point. You don't want to put these bottles in the microwave itself, just for safety reasons. You don't want it to melt or explode. I don't know what it's going to do. But it's kind of like heating it up as if you were heating up a baby bottle. You don't want it to be scalding on your scalp. I put my bottle into the hot water and let it sit there for about 5 to 10 minutes before I applied it to my hair. And I applied it all over my hair. I started with the ends and worked my way up to the scalp. I gave myself a really good scalp massage. This product worked really well in my hair. The only thing is I wish the smell was a little bit better. It smelled very earthy. It didn't smell horrible, but it just wasn't really my thing. So what I did was I separated my hair into two sections, and I'm just putting away the section I already completed while I work on the other side. So I put a plastic bag around one side of my hair so that it can keep all the steam and the heat in. Once you complete both sides, go ahead and put a plastic cap over your whole head, and I'm gonna let this sit in my hair for a couple hours. I really like long pre-poos or hot oil treatments, and then I'll go ahead and wash it out and shampoo and condition it like I would normally do on my wash day. Alright, this next product is the Black Castor Oil Silicone Free Argan Shine, and it really reminded me of the olive oil sheen. It was very light, and I kind of got some in my face a little bit, but it's very light and it didn't leave like a greasy residue. It was very slippery to the touch. So what I used it on is my hair. So I used it on my hairstyle that I already had in my hair, and check out my latest video if you want to see how I achieved this style. I'll put the link somewhere in the description box or in this video for you guys. But I just used this oil to give my hair some more shine and more sheen. The next product that company sent was the Black Castor Oil Alma, and I really like this fragrance. It smells like fruit. I'm not really familiar with Alma in general. I've never used Alma in my hair before, but I really enjoyed it. The first couple ingredients are castor oil, soybean oil, and alma oil. They also have carrot and sunflower oil in here. I chose to use this for my skin. Right on the bottle it says you can use it for itchy or dry skin, and it also promotes moisturized dry skin. And I mixed a couple drops of the alma oil into it. It gives it longevity and makes my skin feel really soft and really supple, so I definitely am going to use this again. Next we have the Black Castor Oil Lavender. The company recommends you use this as a massage oil all over your body for relaxation. I chose something a little bit different. I chose to use it for my hands and my nails. What I did was I removed all my nail polish from my nails using nail polish remover or acetone, and because the nail polish remover dries out my cuticles so bad, I chose to use it as a cuticle oil, and it worked really well. It's a very, very thick oil for my cuticles, and it left it moisturized all day, really. But I think the best part of this is the smell. Lavender is one of my favorite scents. I have lavender candles at my house. I really enjoy just the relaxing aroma of lavender, and also lavender is purple, and purple is my favorite color. And lastly, I have the Black Wax from Jamaican Mango and Lime. It's called Blacks. I don't know, it's kind of funny. But what it is a natural black temporary colorizer. It says it holds your locks longer, it has no alcohol and no parabens, which is always a great thing. The first couple ingredients are petroleum and microcrystalline wax. It also has some fragrance and different dyes in there so that it can actually dye your hair. Because I didn't really like it in my hair, I tried it in my friend Gina's hair. Say hi, Gina. Her hair is very dense, or a lot more dense than my hair, and it didn't weigh her hair down at all like it was doing for me. The smell is really nice, and it went on very well in her hair. I did notice a slight tint to her dreads. She has color at the end, so I tried it on her ends, and I did notice a slight tint, but it wasn't anything overwhelming. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're interested in any of these products, I'll leave links at the bottom below for you guys to check it out. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and until next time guys, bye!